Listen, guys, look at this beautiful day. Look at this gorgeous, absolutely fantastic day. And guess what, guys? The God who was able to construct this beautiful day, not co-construct, but construct this beautiful, beautiful, amazing day, certainly He is able to fix whatever is going on in your life and whatever is going on in my life, whatever issues that need to be addressed, be they financial, physical, health related, spiritual. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. He's able to fix it. And look at these birds, just singing, just making a joyful noise. And if God takes care of them, that they're so happy all the time and singing, then certainly He's able to take care of us. Certainly. Certainly the cares of our hearts is not too huge for Him. Oh, look at the grass swaying in the wind, just worshiping, just worshiping. Then if the birds and the grass and the trees, look at them, and the wind, if they're able to show forth worship, to give forth praise, then certainly we are His people, and we should worship Him as well.